Hello students, how are you all? So children, today we will learn grammar, chapter number 3, negative sentences. So, before we will start our lesson, our today's topic, I request you all to sit with your textbook and pencil. So, if you have to correct something or you have to underline something or whichever line I am going to read for you, that also you can pay attention. So, I request you all, before we will start this lesson or before watching this video, please sit with your textbook of grammar and open on page number 11 and keep your pencil also in your hand. So let's start. A. Sentences are made negative by placing the adverb not after the finite verb. Some verbs are used very often. They don't behave like other verbs in a number of ways. They are called peculiars. So children, we will see some peculiars verbs in the next. You can see in your textbook one table is there, and also I have kept on the screen also. B. In B we are using am, is, are, was, were. Have, we are having has and had as a present form or past form. Can, and in a past form we can use could also. Will, would we are using for past form. Shall, should. With this we are having may, might, must, ought to. So children, these all are called peculiars and they are made negative by using the word not. Whenever these verbs, these peculiars we are going to use in a sentence, and with these peculiar words we are using not, so that sentence will change into negative sentences. Next we will see B. You can see in your textbook also. Generally the adverb not is written in the shortened form as an apostrophe T. You can see in the short form an apostrophe T. So here we are having some examples of negative and their short forms. So we will read. First one is there, am not. Its short form is there, am not. Here we are not having an apostrophe T. Here we are having only am is written in the negative. So we can write I apostrophe am not. Second, is not, isn't. Are not, aren't. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Have not, haven't. Has not, hasn't. Cannot, can't. Could not, couldn't. Will not, won't. Now children, as you will see in your textbook, spelling is written WILLN apostrophe T. So that one is the incorrect one. So you have to change it and you write as I have shown to you on the screen in a green color, WON apostrophe T. It means won't. We can pronounce it won't. So will not, won't. Because whenever we are using this apostrophe, where there is a missing letter, then only we can use apostrophe. So here with full spelling we cannot use apostrophe. So children, you don't have to write WILLN apostrophe T. Here on the screen I have written WON apostrophe T. That answer you have to write. Next we will see would not, wouldn't. Now you have in the beside one more table that also I have written on the screen. So that also we will read. In that first number is written shall not, shan't. So here also in your textbook printing mistake is there. So please cancel SHALLN apostrophe T as I have cancelled on the screen. So please cancel only with one single line and write in a green color I have written the spelling SHAN apostrophe T. So it will come shan't. Should not, shouldn't. Must not, mustn't. Now children, here mustn't, MSTN apostrophe T. So whenever we are using shortened form of must not, we don't have to read middle T. It is the silent T. Middle T is silent reading. So mustn't we have to pronounce. Must not, mustn't. Ought not, oughtn't. Need not, needn't. Dare not, daren't. Do not, don't. Does not, doesn't. May not, mayn't. Might not, mightn't. So children, these were the negative forms with shortened forms. So now we will see some sentences. So here in your textbook also it is given, and I have put it on the screen. You can see it. We are having some affirmative sentences, and that sentence is turned into the negative sentence. So that also we will read. First sentence, I am an Indian. When it will change into negative, we can say like this, I am not an Indian. Here I am short form also written in your textbook, and on the screen also you can see some short forms also are written in the bracket. So that also you can study. Number 2, he is French. He is not French. They are my friends. They are not my friends. Otherwise, instead of are not, we can use aren't also. He was at home today. He was not at home yesterday. She could dance when she was 6. She could not dance when she was 6. She said that she would come. She said that she would not come. You should dance. You should not dance. You must go. You must not go. Instead of must not, you can say this way also. You mustn't go. They ought to come. They ought not to come. Now children, we will see next page. I request you all kindly turn your page number 12, and you can see some more examples of sentences. Now before we were having, here we are having affirmative to negative. So this also we will study. I see films often. When it will change into negative, it can be this way. I do not see films often. I trust her. I do not trust her. He dances well. He does not dance well. She drives a car. She does not drive a car. Go now. Don't go now, or do not go now. Invite everybody. Do not invite everybody, or don't invite everybody. So children, I hope you all understood this full topic of negative sentences. Now we will see some examples, means exercises. So first exercise, transform the following affirmative sentences into negative. So first we have to change whichever sentences are given in the first exercise, that is the affirmative sentence, and we have to transform that sentence into negative. So children, I request you all, don't write when I will read. Whenever I am reading for you these exercises, first pay attention and listen to me carefully. Afterwards you can play again these videos, and you can pause the videos and you can write the answers. But first you have to read this properly. So number 1, look before you leap. Answer, do not look before you leap. 2, man is mortal. A. Answer, man is not mortal. Number 3, he is the richest man in the town. Answer, he is not the richest man in the town. 4, he tried every plan. Answer, he did not try every plan. Number 5, I was doubtful whether she would agree. Answer, I was not doubtful whether she would agree. 6, where there is smoke, there is fire. Answer, where there is no smoke, there is no fire. 7, his father is a poor man. Answer, his father is not a poor man. 8, he failed to keep his word. Answer, he did not fail to keep his word. Number 9, he is taller than his brother? Answer. He is not taller than his brother. 10. Everyone present cheered. Answer. Everyone present did not cheer. So children, these were the exercise 1. Now we will read exercise 2, that you can see the next one. Transform the following negative sentences into the affirmative. So children, in the first exercise we have seen affirmative to negative. Now we will see negative to affirmative. So let's start to read. Number 1. A wise man does not live beyond his means. Answer. A wise man lives within his means. 2. I am not a little displeased with you. Answer. I am pleased with you. Number 3. I am not so rich as he. Answer. I am as rich as he is. Number 4. No one but a fool would say such a thing. Answer. A fool would say such a thing. 5th. It is never too late to mend. Answer. It is too late to mend. 6. It never pours but rains. Answer. It rains. Number 7. He did not fail his friend. Answer. He failed his friend. Number 8. Do not fail to learn your lesson. Answer. Learn your lesson. 9. No sooner did he see us than he ran away. Answer. He ran away when he saw us. Number 10. Not many men would be cruel to a beggar. Answer. Few men would be cruel to a beggar. So children, I request you understood these exercises also. So children, now you can play again the video, and please pause the videos and you can write the answers in your textbook. Both exercises you have to write in your textbook also with pencil, and then both exercises you have to write in your CW also. And learn well these 2 exercises also. Thank you.